Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to restart your Windows VPS periodically to keep it running smoothly and efficiently. In the Windows search bar, type Task Scheduler and click on it in the taskbar. Next, click the Action menu and then select Create Basic Task. Choose a name for the task and click Next. Continue to select Daily, if you want to restart every day, and click Next. Enter the time you want to restart your computer, set the repeat to your liking, and click Next. Then, select Start a Program and click Next. Click Browse to locate the System32 folder, find the shutdown file, and select Open. Add the desired arguments in the Add Arguments box, then click Next. That's it, your VPS or PC will now automatically reboot at the date, time, and frequency you specified.